In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If websites aren't loading correctly, or interactive features like forms, videos, and menus aren't working, enabling JavaScript can often solve the problem. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and click JavaScript. Under Default Behavior, select Sites can use JavaScript. Chrome saves the change automatically, so you don't need to click a Save button. If a specific website has been blocked from using JavaScript, scroll down to the Not Allowed to Use JavaScript section. Remove the website from the block list or add it to the Allowed to Use JavaScript list if needed. Refresh the web page or reopen the website after enabling JavaScript. The site's interactive features should now work properly. That's how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.